Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from the series of 30 Days of Pandas in LeetCode. Today we are going to calculate a special bonus based on the data frame. Our data frame has three columns: employee ID, name, and salary, and the solution asks us to calculate the bonus for each employee. And the employee would get an equal amount of their salary as bonus if their ID is odd number and the first character of their names is not M. Otherwise, the employee gets 0 as their bonus, and we should return the order of the data frame by employee ID. In this example, you would see that you have 3, 7, and 9, and out of these cases that they can get something as a bonus, the 3 has a M in the beginning of the name, so it doesn't get any bonus. Otherwise, the 7 and 9 get the equal amount of the salary. In order to do this, we use that apply, and we create new column called bonus. And what it does is get employees that apply lambda d, and be careful that at this point you can use the axis equal 1, because if you use the column name here and you specifically mention the name of the column, then it goes row by row on that column, but otherwise it goes as a series, and it will not understand the column names correctly. So by setting the axis to 1, then you can easily use the column names for each row of the data. So what we return is the salary as the bonus if we have the employee ID as odd number, and the name does not start with M, else we will return 0 because the employee wouldn't get anything. And then what we return is employee ID plus the bonus, and then we sort values by the values of employee ID ascending is I believe it should be false. We will see. Okay, we have this run here. Okay, this then will be true, ascending is true. And we see that it returns the results that it is required, and let's submit. And yeah, So yeah, the only thing that can be important is that when you use the apply without a specific name of the columns before, you should be remember to set the axis to equal 1. So later you can use the column names for each row. Thank you very much. If is there any question, I would answer in the comment section. And if you find any of these helpful, I would be happy to see you subscribe to my channel.